my name is Thor, and today we'll be going through some 6 steps, power moves, and some top rocks. First, we'll start with a top rock. It's not very difficult, it's just more listening to the music and going on the beat. So the first steps are your bass step. As long as you know how to do a cross step front, bring it back, cross step front, bring it back. And then we go a little bit faster, cross. When you cross, also open up your arms. You don't want to cross and have the arms on the side. It's very difficult to have it and to balance. So arms are open. Bring it back to the center. Open, back, open, back, open, back, open, back, open, back. That's a cross step. From there, if you want to advance it a little bit more, we'll do a switch back. So first leg kicks out. Once it kicks out, so 1, 2, and 3 back. All right, one more time. So it's 1, keep it up, 2 on top, and then the back leg switches to the top. One more time. 1, 2, turn. 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 1, 2. And that's your base of your top rock.